Hey guys, so in this video, I just wanted to tell you that I was on Reddit and I found out there is a way to get Spotify Premium, like a promo code, okay? So what this will do is it will give you like 3 months of Spotify Premium for free. And basically, the truth of the matter is when you are done with your 3 months, you actually can go back on this website and get another 3 months of Spotify Premium for free. So I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do this. It is super easy, guys, and it is totally working without like computers or jailbreaking or any of that, which is pretty awesome. So I'm going to show you guys exactly how to get it. It is basically just with a promo code, if you know what I mean. So really, all you're doing is just using this promo code, guys, in 2024 to get Spotify Premium. So I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do it. So as you can see, it does list my subscription as premium. So I'm going to show you exactly how to do this. So what you need to do is go to that subscription site. So the website is called zestcoupons.com, right? So this is the website. Let me just type it in. I found this on Reddit, actually. So once you're on this website, guys, you're going to see it says search below for any coupon or promo code in the world. So let's type in Spotify, okay? And as you can see, maybe I have to type in the full name. It says Spotify Premium coupon code for 1 month, okay? So it says coupons left 1,745. So I'm just going to press see more. And it says warning, website has been reported. So we're just going to do ignore and proceed. And as you can see, guys, it says Spotify Premium coupon code. So we're just going to press show coupon. And then as you can see, it says a part of the code, but then the rest of it is blurred out. So in order to unlock it, you're just going to press unlock code, and then it's going to unlock it. So be sure to try this out, guys. It's super insane. And this actually works, guys. So if this video works for you, be sure to try it out. It's super cool, guys, as you can see. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it. But be sure to try it out for yourself and get the word out. This is super cool, and it's like totally updated and everything like that. So yeah, if this video works for you guys, be sure to go ahead and share it. I'm gonna see you in another video. But yeah, subscribe to the channel because this is super cool. It is not requiring a jailbreak. But yeah, if this video works for you guys, be sure to share it, because I'm always like looking for this type of coupons and stuff like that. So yeah, enjoy it, and peace out. This is the website again for you guys, Zest Coupons. So be sure to try it out for yourself. It's super cool. You don't have to put the rest of it, just put Zest Coupons. But I'm going to see you guys later, and I hope you enjoyed the video. So peace out.